Okay, students, today we will study harmful effects of microorganisms. In that topic, first we should know what are pathogens. So, pathogen can be defined as disease causing microbes are called pathogen. So, different communicable diseases are caused due to pathogens. Like Anopheles mosquito are the carriers of malaria, and Aedes albopictus are carriers of dengue, chikungunya and Zika. These are the Zika. So, Anopheles mosquito are the carriers of malaria. Aedes albopictus is carrier of dengue and chikungunya, Zika. Okay, these are the diseases which are caused by this Aedes albopictus mosquito, and Anopheles mosquito are the carriers of malaria. So there in human, microorganisms are present everywhere, in water, in soil, in air, okay, everywhere. So they cause different types of diseases in humans as well as other animals and plants. So some of common human diseases are, I have presented here in the tabular form. Diseases like tuberculosis, measles, chickenpox, cholera, malaria, these all are communicable diseases, and they are caused by microbes or microorganisms. So causative microbes या causative microorganism मतलब किसके चलते ये डिजीज होता है. So causative microbes for tuberculosis is bacteria, measles is virus, chickenpox and polio virus, cholera and typhoid bacteria, malaria protozoa. You can see ringworm is a fungal infection that are caused in humans. Ringworm is a fungal infection caused in humans, okay, by it's a fungal infection. So these are the diseases, common diseases that are caused in humans by the microorganisms. Okay. Now diseases in animals, as we know that microbes or microorganisms are responsible for spreading diseases not only in humans but also in other animals and plants as well. So diseases like anthrax is a disease and causative microbe is bacteria. ठीक है, एंथ्रैक्स का causative microbe क्या है? बैक्टीरिया. A particular bacteria, Bacillus anthracis, इस बैक्टीरिया के चलते एंथ्रैक्स डिजीज क्या चीज़ में होता है? ह्यूमन्स और कैटल्स में होता है. एंड विच रीजन इज अफेक्टेड? फूट एंड माउथ ऑफ कैटल्स गेट्स अफेक्टेड बाय the disease named anthrax. Similarly, other diseases like bird flu and swine flu. Bird flu का causative microbes क्या है? Virus, and it affects poultry. नहीं, swine flu Swine flu is another disease caused by virus and which affects pig, and one of the most common disease which the entire world is suffering from COVID-19 नहीं. So it is also, इसका causative microbe क्या है? Virus. ठीक है. So best method to be prevented from this is we should consume hot water 2 or 3 times daily. We should drink hot drinks, I mean tea, coffee या काढ़ा. Okay, whenever you wish to go out, if there is urgent work and you need to go out, then we should use face mask. Okay, so by this we can be prevented from this COVID-19. Okay. Okay, now we will discuss about food preservation. Food preservation is a technique by which we can preserve food without being spoiled and without being food preservation is a technique of preserving food, okay, without losing its nutritional value. So the technique of preserving food without losing its nutritional value. Okay, this technique is termed as food preservation. For food preservation we make use of, like, common salt is used as food preservative, sugar is also used as food preservative, oil and vinegar are used as food preservative, hot and cold treatment like pasteurized milk, storage and packing and canning. So common salt is used as food preservative for items like meat and fish. By pouring common salt on this meat and fish item, this salt, spraying of salt reduces the growth of microorganisms. Similarly, sugar is used as food preservation in jam और squashes जो शरबत होते हैं. Similarly, oil and vinegar is used for preserving pickles. This hot and cold treatment, first the item like milk is heated to certain temperature for some time, and after that it is cooled. So by heating to a high temperature kills the microbes present in the milk. Okay, then storage and packing. Food items like kurkure, they are packed in airtight they are packed in airtight packets so that food doesn't get spoiled. And canning means in cans the meat items are packed so that it does not get spoiled. Okay, so these are the common methods of food preservation. Okay students, so in this class we have concluded chapter 2, microorganisms. Based on the explanation you can do the question answer objective questions, and in your book NCERT questions are given. You can look into that, and if you have any doubt you can mention in the comment box. Okay, thank you.